Mastering the art of rescheduling and canceling appointments in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Rescheduling and canceling appointments are common occurrences in our day-to-day lives, and knowing how to communicate these changes clearly and respectfully in English is essential. Today, we're going to learn some key phrases and strategies to effectively communicate these changes. When we need to change the time or date of an appointment, it's essential to use polite language and express regret. Here are some examples. I'm sorry, but something has come up, and I need to reschedule our appointment. Unfortunately, I have a conflict in my schedule. Can we find another time? Would it be possible to move our meeting to a later date? Remember, the key to rescheduling is to express regret, explain your situation, and ask for a new date or time. Sometimes, things happen that require us to cancel an appointment. It's crucial to communicate this in a polite and respectful manner. Here's how you can do that. I regret to inform you that I need to cancel our appointment. Unfortunately, I won't be able to make it to our meeting. I apologize for any inconvenience, but I need to call off our appointment. When canceling, remember to express your regret, notify the other party as soon as possible, and offer to reschedule if appropriate. Now, what if someone else wants to reschedule or cancel an appointment with you? It's essential to respond graciously and flexibly. Here are some phrases you can use. That's fine, we can reschedule. When works best for you? I understand. Let's find a new time that works for both of us. No problem. I appreciate you letting me know. We can set up a new appointment. Responding kindly to these changes shows respect for the other person and maintains positive relationships. And that wraps up our lesson on rescheduling and canceling appointments in English. Remember, the key is to be polite, respectful, and flexible. With these phrases in your English communication toolbox, you're well equipped to handle changes in your schedule. I hope this video has been helpful, and as always, keep practicing and improving your English. Until next time, happy learning!